Okay, good morning, everybody. It's a brisk North Carolina morning, about 50, but nice. And yesterday, I finally got my switches for my bike, and these are the Revival Cycle ones that were, I guess I ordered them back in March 15th of this year, but with the whole COVID and everything, and they lost a vendor for the actual switches themselves, and so it's been a long time coming, and so I got them yesterday, but I never opened them. So this is going to be one of those reveal videos, which I don't know really how they work, but anyway, you're going to see the first look at these things, and I hope that I'm satisfied. Well, I think I will be. Anyway, here we go. There's that. Oh my goodness, look at these. Very nice. Oh man, these things look awesome. So again, this is a 3-button, and one of the things they really boast about is that they've machined these to the point where when you screw these 2 bolts in on your handlebar, it really gives almost zero gap right here on the mating surfaces. So that's really cool. And then they did say, if you watch the video on these, they say, hey, you know what? You can have the Revival logo out, or you can flip it to a way where it's not out. So whatever you want. And the buttons look really nice, clean. The blacks really match up really, really good. And here's what it is. So you would unscrew this, and you figure out where you want them on your bar, and then you would go and you would do your wiring. And these are momentary switches, so it doesn't really matter which one hooks to what, but you do a ground and whatever your switch is going to be, horn, lights, start, whatever. And then I'll mark this on the bar, and then we'll punch a hole in the bar, and then we can feed all these wires into it. So that'll be the next step. But overall, very excited. These things look great. Let's look at the other ones. So I got one 3-button and one 2-button. And again, there's their instructions, and here's the 2-button. Very nice. Look at that. Perfect. And you can see there's a little bit of an offset when you put these together, but you have to remember when you put the bar, that'd probably be a true 7/8 diameter there. So these are the 7/8 diameter ones, and that's what they look like. Nice job, Revival. Look great. Worth the wait. Next shot will probably be me trying to install them or marking bars and all that good stuff. And along with everything that they send, which is awesome box, nice foam cutout. They do send different stickers of all their hand-built, or their different logos and whatnot, and they usually come with every batch of items that you purchase. So, again, these will go here. I'm hoping to put them, I think the 2-button over here, and then the 3-button will go on the other side, and I think that all matches pretty well. Nice satiny black. Matches the bars. The bars aren't the best, but maybe I upgrade to a different one, but right now I think I'm going to use those, clean up the little scratches and whatnot. Anyway, looks good. All the different blacks on here kind of match. So this one's more satiny satin, and then it does really well, I think, with the black gloss too. Right? Okay. Good deal. Very excited. Show you guys what's going on when I start wiring this, because I think this is going to be a whole giant kind of a tough battle to get everything through there, but I'm going to wire everything. I guess they say to wire it to one end and then pull everything back through, and I'll take some video on part of that process and going through everything. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Goodbye.